So here I am again, deep inside the bat cave. Actually, I'm underneath my slide. Got another, it seems like there's always something, little gremlins. I guess this unit being 14 years old is going to have some issues. This just happens to be one of them. So I was about to leave for the day. Fair warning, maybe just explain this after the caption. Roll the credits, because I'm just in here living the coolest life. Oh, you're back. So anyway, what had happened was the day before this happened, I actually adjusted, or I had to move the slide for some reason just a little bit, and I heard a little bit of a pop. Didn't know what that was. Come to find out, it was a gearbox associated with my motor, and I'd love to show you that. I'll show you what exactly broke off. It is this thing. Yeah, this actually broke. You can tell it's probably seen better days. The gears go inside of it. Oh, let me preface this by saying I am not a RV tech or a mechanic by any way, shape, or form. Might be a little bit, but not really. No. And that piece goes onto this. As you can see, this motor is shot. The good news is this motor is probably still good. The gearbox, not so much. Seen better days. But the motor itself is probably good. I haven't actually tested it. I may test it in a little bit. It's actually a 12-volt motor. It's got a plug in. So when you get a new one, you can't exactly swap wires. You plug them straight in to the cord. And I did get a new one after about $1,500. I could have got it for 12, but I would have had to wait at least 3 to 5 days and couldn't guarantee me shipment and anything. So I was like, let me just pay the money. I know I can get it tomorrow. I had to go, actually went up to Lazy Days in Tampa to get it. It was actually the best price available in the area that I could get it next day. And now I've got visitors. Get a little bird. Hey, get out of here. Hey, little bird, get out of here. Messing up the rotation. So anyway, I got the new motor. Almost got it installed. That's it here. I've only put one bolt. Well, I got 2 bolts kind of screwed into it. Basically, you undo this one here, and you undo this one here, and these slide. You can see how this overlaps that other one. So it'll actually slide that way, and this one did. So basically, so for the most part, you take out this little bolt here, this one here, and they will slide. So it gives you room. And then you take out these 4 bolts, and it essentially pops right out. It was actually pretty easy. Now, I haven't tested this yet. My guess is at this point, if you're seeing this video, things went right. If you're not seeing this video, well, you're not seeing this video. But this is the new motor. It's in here now. I don't know what else to tell you about this, except I gotta screw these in. I'm gonna lay down flat and have my wife test this thing to see if it'll function. But so far so good. It looks pretty good. 4 bolts plus these 2 here. So and we should be plugging and playing here shortly. Wish me luck. Yay! Good news. Slide works like a champ. Done tested it. Slid it in. Slid it out. No issues at all. No pinging. I actually greased it up a little better. So it actually took care of some of the squeaking that was going on. So I don't have any of that, but as you can see, to get to this thing, you got to crawl up underneath there. But once you get in there, there's a big open hole, and the reason for that is because the Bounders and some other models, not many, when this big slide comes out, it takes the storage area out here with it. And what it does is, once you get up underneath the storage area, you can then see the area that you need to work on. It's a big open space. So it makes it pretty easy to work on something like that. Not everything is an easy access as that, but in fact, I'm about ready to go in there and do some other stuff, so I may do that on another video. Let me close out this video. Hope you'll like and subscribe and send this to your friends, and especially if they've got something, they got a slide issue and need to replace that motor. Luckily for me, it didn't come off track. It didn't have any other issues with it that I was going to have to need help lifting it up and getting it back on or something like that. So, but it was a pretty easy fix. Hope you enjoyed this video. We will see you down the road, because I'm just out here living the coolest life.